My informative speech is about drug addiction, where I'm going to talk about FOS as the best medicine for drug addicts. First of all, drug addiction is substance use disorder. It is a disease that affects a person's brain, behavior, and leads to inability to control the use of legal or illegal medication. Substances such as alcohol, bang, and nicotine are considered as drugs. Also, any other medication that you take it more than how the doctor has prescribed it, that's still drug addiction and may cause effects on your body. What we can say is that for drug addicts, they are better off in correctional facilities or rehabilitation centers than being allowed to continue roaming about, abusing the drugs, which leads to their death. And at least when we keep them in correctional facilities or rehabilitation centers, at least we are hopeful that they will stay alive. In drug addiction, there is what we call treatment programs in rehabilitation centers that is administered to them to keep them alive, as I said before, to make them reform, recover, or become better people in the society. And then again, to monitor them. If not taken care of very well, they might fall back into the addiction within a very short period of time. For example, we can see in most rehabilitation places or correctional facilities, they kind of like have groups where they kind of like monitor them, they share their experiences, they tell them what to do, the plans to take, try to kind of like be in their lives, like show them that they are not alone, because drug addiction can be a very bad disease, which often leads to death in most people dying prematurely, most of the people losing track of themselves, most of the people being homeless, not knowing where to go, where to live, forgetting if they had any purpose of living in this world. Their mental health become affected. So if we don't really help them, these may turn out to be disastrous for most of them. The addicts know very well that when they are forced into the rehabilitation centers, this will help them. But some of them choose not to. They kind of like run away. They don't want to be there. They think like they are being treated like criminals. They don't want the treatment. It's how their body or their mind tells them, because us as the society out here, we will talk about them, we will just say, if this could have been done like this could have been done this way, this person maybe would be alive or would have been helped or would have, all things that we keep talking. But sometimes as a society, we never do anything. So what I'm emphasizing is FOS is the best thing for most of the drug addicts to keep them alive. When you look at the internet or most of the articles, they tell you about so many people that, it went on well with them when they were forced to be in correctional facilities, maybe by the use of morphine or cocaine. It's better for them to be sentenced and put in jail so that they could know what they did was wrong and then try to follow the right path. For example, there's the actor and comedian Chris Farley. Of course, he was put in 6 months in a LA jail because of a crime related to drugs. That helped him a lot, save his life, And there are other things like some patients, being told like they need jobs or what, or they did that because they wanted this to come out. It's just all stories around and around, which all lead to the same thing, and we still have to help them. My personal response about this is that forced rehabilitation is the last resort to help people who are struggling with drug abuse and make them get help. for their own good and for the family and close friends. And what I can say is this is why we need to have them forced in rehabilitation centers and have them stay alive rather than leave them out there, not only endangering their own lives, but also the lives of those around them and the people they love most. Thank you.